friends, welcome back. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. Today we will discuss about the top 5 category journal in the different field like the multidisciplinary management, computer science and so many fields. लास्ट तक वीडियो देखिए मे बी पॉसिबल यू विल गेट द जर्नल दैट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर। आपको वो जर्नल मिल जाए जो आप सर्च कर रहे हैं। अगर आपकी रिसर्च के अकॉर्डिंग आपको रिक्वायरमेंट है जर्नल की, पिंग मी थ्रू माय व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप। व्हाट्सएप लिंक आपको मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी। even you will get the my WhatsApp number, so drop your message through WhatsApp. Friends, if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel for upcoming important video more notification. So first category journal name is the information and computer security. ISSN number of this journal 20564961. This is a very renowned publisher, Emerald Publishers. So this is very good publishers, and this journal comes under the category of the multidisciplinary and it covers the many more topics. So explore this section very carefully so you can explore aim and scope. So here you will get all the topics and titles related to particular this journal. सो अगर आपका रिसर्च आर्टिकल इस सभी टॉपिक से मैच करता हो देन यू कैन सबमिट योर रिसर्च आर्टिकल, एंड आफ्टर सेटिस्फेक्शन एट योर लेवल यू हैव टू सबमिट योर रिसर्च आर्टिकल. Author guideline, how we will prepare our research article and what are the publishing free model and frequency when it will be published and charges, all the things you will get here. So read out each and every guideline carefully. And if you want to know about the indexing, whether this journal related to the Scopus category, SCI category and many more, so just click on the abstract and indexing part. So here you will get the indexing part of this journal. So accordingly you can understand about this particular journal. This journal comes under the category of the Scopus category and many more indexing. You can see here this is a very good indexing of this journal. So explore this section very carefully. If you're searching and if you are looking for the Scopus and ESCI category, so this journal comes under this particular category. You can see here. So this is how we can understand about this particular journal. So if you want to know more about this particular journal, call for papers, special issues, so explore this section, right hand side section. So you may get the all the detailed information about the upcoming issues or all the things. So how we will publish our research article and submit our article? You have to create your account ID, and if you are new for this particular journal, you have to create or sign up and fill up your credentials. So accordingly you have to create your login ID and you can submit your research article. Next journal name is the Science Direct or LCBS. So the journal name is the journal name of is High Technology Management Research, so support open access. So this journal will support the open access category journal, and this is all about the journal metrics and about the publications or issues. If you want to explore all the issues that have been already published, so you can also explore. And if you want to know more about the guide for author, how we will prepare our research article about the journal open access category, so all the things you will get here. So just click on the aim and about the journal, so it will be redirected to the journal page. So about the journal page, so this is how we can redirect it about this journal. So this is the journal published by the Elsevier. Elsevier is the very renowned platform to publish the research article. ISSN number is given here, and the site score is the 5.3 and many more things are available. So explore this section. In this section you will get all the topics and title related to this particular journal, so you can understand, or if your research article and research area comes under this particular topic and title, you can submit your research article. And how we'll prepare our research article, so here you will get the guide for author. So you will get the all the detailed information about the journal preparation. कैसे हम अपना research article prepare करेंगे according to journal guideline. So all the guideline and detailed information you will get here. Whether they journal related to the Scopus category, so you can understand, you can get the details. So just click on the abstract indexing part so you can understand. And after preparation of your research article, you have to submit your research article. So use this particular tab. So click on the submit your research paper. You can so submit your research article. Next category of the Emerald Publishing. This is a very reputed and good publisher. So journal name is the Journal of Consumer Marketing, as its name indicating. This journal is especially related to the business management, marketing, student and research area. So if your research article and research area comes under this particular business or management and marketing, you can submit your research article. So aim and scope, what are the topics covered by this journal. So just explore this section very carefully. Here you will get all the detailed information about the topics and research area. So if your research area fall down in this particular category, you have to submit. And you can also explore many more things like the editorial board member, author guidelines, all the things you can explore. And abstract indexing and call for papers, all the things are given here. So whether this journal related to the Scopus category, SCI category, so you can get that all the detail from this particular section. So read out this section very carefully, because this is the very important, whether this journal related to the SCI category, ESCI category and Scopus category. So all the things are given here. So explore this section. And if you want to know more about the call for papers, related journal, so many things are given here. So explore this section accordingly. Next one is the Science Direct. This is also the Elsevier category journal. So this is Elsevier and Science Direct publishers. Data and knowledge engineering, as its name indicates, this journal is especially related to the particular multidisciplinary field or computer science field. So about the journal, just click on the about the journal. So it will be redirected to the journal home page, and you will understand about the particular impact factor 1.4, site score 3.7, and what types of the topics covered by this particular journal. So here you will get all the detailed information about this journal. So इस सेक्शन को बहुत केयरफुली आप इसको एक्सप्लोर कीजिए. इफ़ योर रिसर्च एरिया कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ द representation and manipulation of the data, knowledge, conceptual data, model representations, then you can submit your research article to the particular journal. So these are the topics and titles covered by this particular journal. So this is a very wide area coverage area of this journal. And whether the journal related to the Scopus category, just click on the abstract indexing part, it will be redirected to the indexing part. So you can see here this journal comes under the category of the Scopus category, SCI category, and also Web of Science, and many more indexing. So grab this golden opportunity. And one more journal as a bonus. So this is a Springer category journal. Springer publisher. Springer also the very renowned and reputed platform to publish your research article. So the journal name is the Management Review Quarterly. So this is a general systematic literature review, meta-analysis and replication studies. And what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal, you can explore this section very carefully. So here you will get all the detailed information about the topics and titles covered by this particular journal. And about the publishing model, you can understand within 13 days you will get the first notification from the editorial board member, and after that 241 days are required to publish your research article. Now we will talk about the indexing part, so you can understand about the indexing part. So this journal comes under the category of UGC listed journal, Scopus category journal, and many more indexing. So if you are looking for the indexing part, Scopus and UGC, this is a very good journal, and this journal published in both category, print version and also the online version. So this is how we can understand about each and every topic and title covered by this particular journal and all journal. So friends, if you are looking for the appropriate and fast publication journal especially for your topic, ping me through my WhatsApp group. WhatsApp number you will get in my description box, and you can also join with our WhatsApp group through the WhatsApp link. So you can just say see the description box, and if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel for upcoming most important video. Thank you friends for watching this video.